got my monthly delivery, and I'm going to go ahead and open that up. My monthly delivery is called Essential Rewards, for anybody who's new to that, and it is our wellness box that we get delivered straight to our home every month from Young Living. So I got a lot this month that was larger, but it was kind of similar to last month. I didn't get a ton of oils. I got a 4-pack of Ningxia Red. I think this is a 4-pack, maybe a 6-pack. A 4-pack of Ningxia Red, and Ningxia Red is our supplement that we take every day, and this helps us to have great antioxidant levels. It helps us to keep ourselves healthy. The primary ingredient in it is the Ningxia wolfberry, which is why it's called Ningxia Red. It's from the Ningxia province of China. And it comes in these big bottles. So we only have about an ounce a day a person, sometimes 2 ounces. You can take more than that if you need to for high important things. Like if you're not feeling energized, you're feeling a little run down, then we'll take a little bit more. So Ningxia Red, we take that daily, the kids and I especially. And oh my goodness, I did not order any Savvy Minerals. So I just got a free gift in my box. It says, "We are so excited to give you a little Savvy Minerals this Valentine's Day week." How awesome. Free lipstick. Not sure what color. Let's see. Wish. This may have to go for my daughter. I think she loves this. Yep, perfect for her. Really light pink. That's so cool. Free lipstick. You never know what you're going to get. I always expect free things in here, but that was not one that I was expecting. So that was cool. Got a little Valentine's Day gift. All right, other things that we use monthly that I had to get in my order. Mighty Pro, this is our kids' probiotic and prebiotic. It is amazing. Honestly, since we started this consistently, my daughter has had so few digestive issues. The only times I can think of her ever having issues since we really integrated this really consistently was if she eats too much dairy, like has too much pizza or something. So other things that we used that I needed to reorder was our toothpaste. I recently shared in our member support group that I started using my toothpaste because I ran out of deodorant. I have made my own spray deodorant with magnesium oil in it and then essential oils. And I ran out and just didn't have a chance to redo it, but I had seen somebody post that they were using the toothpaste as a deodorant, especially while they were traveling, just to minimize what they had to bring with them. Honestly, it works better than my deodorant did as far as like I don't feel stinky by the end of the day, even at all. So now I'm going to, I guess, start using my toothpaste as my deodorant and, you know, save it. And a little goes a long way, which is also amazing. I use the Denturum Ultra. My son said he prefers the Aroma Bright. I think it tastes a little bit more like baking soda than the Ultra does. But the Aroma Bright is what they recommend for toothpaste, like for the deodorant hack. And then my daughter likes the Kid Sense. This is more of a citrusy flavor, so that's what she tends to use. And it's just easier if my kids are not using the same tube of toothpaste. I know that sounds ridiculous, but it's true. All right, also ordered this month Power Jize. This is a great supplement for men and women. It does have vitamin B6 in it, which is amazing for energy. It has magnesium and zinc, which we all need those minerals. Then it also has a bunch of different things in it that are great for boosting stamina and increasing strength and energy. A lot of people use this if they're working out. This is also really good for the male hormone system as well as for the female system. Cortistop is another supplement that I have been using. This one, let's see if I can read I don't think it has much description on here. The description is more in my reference book. So Cortistop has progenolone, which is a really helpful hormone. It helps to stop too much cortisone production. And cortisone is basically our stress hormone. So it's the one that kind of can get overproduced when we're feeling too stressed. This also has clary sage, which is an amazing oil for hormone regulation also. And then it has frankincense and peppermint in it too. It has black cohosh and DHEA from wild yam. So it's amazing for all the hormones. That has been something that I've really been focusing my health on, and that's why I ordered a couple different things to target hormone. All right, for me also, what else did I order? Not that. Not that. I didn't order any of these. These are all my freebies of the month. Okay, I did order cardamom because I keep seeing this everywhere and I haven't had it. So it's my first time smelling cardamom that I can remember. Oh, that smells really fresh. That almost smells like a fresh, herby, like citrusy smell with a bit of spice. I'm intrigued. Like I said, I've never really had that one, so I'm excited to add that to my essential oil collection. And then I got a ton of freebies. Did I order? I might have ordered purification. I can't remember if that's a freebie or not. I got cypress for free. This one is amazing for circulation. A lot of people will use this to make a rub for in the bedroom. So it's great for circulation and like on the inner thigh, on the abdomen. Marjoram, which I think I have because it's used for the raindrop massage. And purification, this is absolutely one of my favorite essential oil blends ever. I use this one in the laundry a lot. I'll either put a couple drops of it onto a wool dryer ball, or I'll put a couple drops on like a towel or a washcloth that's going in, because those always take longer to dry, and I feel like it disperses the scent a little bit more throughout the laundry. Clove, I love clove in my elderberry. Clove Vitality goes in my elderberry syrup every time I make it. It's great for supporting the immune system. It is great for keeping us healthy. And Palo Santo. This is not one of my favorite oils, but this has definitely become one that I have found beneficial. I use it a lot for when the kids are doing homework. It's kind of like a frankincense type effect where it gives you a lot of good focus. And then I also got Super Cal Plus for free, which I'm really excited about because this has vitamin D in it, which this time of year is super important to supplement. It also has vitamin K, which helps with the absorption of vitamin D, has calcium and magnesium, both things that as we get older or just in general we need to add supplement to our diet, because it's something that can get diminished over time. So calcium, magnesium, vitamin D to help support healthy bones, and it's great to help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, which as I'm getting older, I should admit I should do. So lots of great freebies. A surprise freebie of lipstick, which is so awesome. I love Young Living. They always really take care of us. I love getting my monthly wellness box. The number one reason that I tell people that the wellness box is so helpful is because, number one, you can customize it to what you want. So that's amazing. Number two, if you're on a budget, it's a really great way to save on high quality supplements as well as essential oils. I don't think just because we're on a budget that we need to not take care of ourselves. In fact, probably need to take care of ourselves even in a more focused way. And using Essential Rewards helps us to focus on that, and it also helps us to earn money back so we can get freebies. Every time I place an order, because I've been using Essential Rewards for over 2 years, and in fact for 4 years, I just hit my anniversary. Every time I place an order, I get 25% back on my order that I get to use for different supplements through Young Living, different essential oils, household products like cleaners or soaps, or shampoos or body wash. So I get to redeem those points for whatever I choose to. And I also am getting all these free products. Like I said, I did not order these essential oils. These are all, can't even hold them, there's so much. These were all free this month. So you get lots of free things, and that's amazing because this isn't something I need to put on my order for next month if I have stocked up on it this month. And then I can cycle through, and next month I'm going to need to order more laundry soap, and I'm going to need to order more body wash for the kids. So I already have a short list of what I'm going to put on next month's order too. It's a great way to save money. It's a great way to keep your house stocked with healthy things. And I love Essential Rewards. It's actually a really fun time every time our box shows up. So I hope you learned a lot about Essential Rewards and got some ideas of what you can order.